Hi, hello, my name is Brianna. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty for the most part. I also do subscription box unboxings, choice, as well as spoilers. And I do makeup reviews and I do vegan grocery hauls. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, I would click subscribe and like. So I'm looking at other subscription box, not saying I'm gonna get any. So my husband's watching this. I did not say I'm getting any right now. Like I get FabFitFun as well as Box Shop by Ipsy, and I get Box Shop by Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag and Icon Box and PR. But I've been intrigued by the Allure box, the Allure beauty box, and I wanted to do a little bit of research. Also see if it's even worth it. So I guess the first month that you subscribe to it, you get like a gift. Last month, if you signed up, you got the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, like a mega, like the actual full size. That's expensive, so that would have been worth it. Right now it's Ulta MD whatever, and I don't think it's worth it. It's not even cruelty free, so I don't care. So this would not be the month for me to subscribe anyway. You get $25 off your annual subscription if you sign up for that option. You get $5 off your first quarterly box. And then I don't know if like you get money off your monthly box or what. Oh, plus get $10 shop credit when you sign up for a monthly or quarterly plan, or get a bonus box worth $240 with annual plan. And with all of those, you get a free product. So I want to get into the spoilers. If you do get Allure beauty box, so I'm getting this from hellosubscription.com. So Christoph Robin, I never tried them before. They're delicate volumizing conditioner with rose extracts, or the Christoph Robin hydrating leave-in mist with aloe vera, or the Christoph Robin color shield mask with camu berries, or the Christoph Robin luscious curl defining butter with cocoa butter. Those all probably sound like they smell really good. And okay, so for new members, you would get for free the Ulta MD Daily Tinted SPF 40 sunscreen. Again, they're not cruelty free, so I just don't care. Each box regularly is $25 per month, and you get 6 or more products in every monthly beauty box. At least 3 full-size products valued at over $100. And okay, so I guess that's the only spoiler. And sometimes you can make choices, and sometimes you don't get to make choices. I'm trying to see, is that really the only spoiler? I'm looking. Also free shipping within the contiguous USA. You get exclusive offers and promotions in our store, just like every other subscription. And then let's see, shop our favorite luxury products, limited edition boxes up to 80% off retail. Brands we love: Sunday Riley, Rare Beauty, Tarte, Charlotte Tilbury, Origins, not cruelty free. First Day Beauty, not cruelty free. Anastasia Beverly Hills, Dr. Jart, not cruelty free. Biossance, MAC, not cruelty free. Victor and Rolf, not cruelty free. Briogeo, Orbe, L'Occitane, not cruelty free. We have a GQ box as well, which is limited edition. Wellness box. K Beauty box, which is also limited edition. Reader's Choice Award winners box. I'm trying to I like saying spoilers. Let me go on Instagram. I'm nosy. I don't actually like surprises. Well, it really depends. Okay, so for May, you get the Ulta MD Tinted Sunscreen. And it looks like an Elemis product, which they're not cruelty-free. Chris Appleton. Isn't he from, not Euphoria. White Lotus, I believe. Or it's like his ex-husband or something. Elemis product, eye cream. We've gotten that in BoxyCharm. It looks like, is there any makeup? Like, what is going on here? Yeah, and the June choice. Okay, so the June choice so far, the June member choice is the a full-size product from Christoph Robin. So you can make a choice for that. It says only available while supplies last. So sometimes you can make choices, sometimes you don't get make choices. Okay, so I guess we don't do spoilers. Kind of lame. So I see Chris Appleton and Color Wow Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. And then this Tulip Tint Bloom Effects. It's a lip and cheek balm. Whatever. Okay. Is that seriously it? I mean, I'm not really impressed. Sometimes you get a fragrance, I guess. So I see Some fragrances. Oh wow, I see like there's been a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, a Dove product. Are you serious? That's like a drugstore product. I also see Used to the People. I see Paula's Choice. I see Tatcha. I see Briogeo. I mean, let me know. I see Olaplex. Let me know, is this actually worth it or not? Like, do you like Allure Beauty Box? I know some people like it, but I only buy cruelty-free and vegan products, so I just don't want to be wasting my money. Even though it's only $25, like that's still $25 if you go to something else or multiple products. So that's just a quick video, but let me know if the Allure Beauty Box is worth it. Would you want to see me unbox it? Because we don't have spoilers. I don't know if you sign up for it, you get. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I get it? Should I not get it? I need more comments that are yeses in order for my husband to be okay with me getting it. More likes, that kind of stuff. As always, stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy. Bye.